Hello everyone, I welcome you all for our lecture series on organization leadership topics. The topic that we have for today's discussion is Leader Member Exchange Theory, LMX theory. I am Professor Sarita from the Department of Management Studies and Research, Don Bosco Institute of Technology, Bangalore. Before we start with the topic, let us see what exactly is LMX theory. LMX theory basically talks about the leader's relationship with the subordinates or the members of the team, how it differs from members to members. Informal observation of leadership behavior suggests that leader's action is not the same towards all the subordinates. As we all know that the leader's behavior towards different employees, different members are different. The importance of potential differences in this respect is brought into sharp focus by Grain's leader-member exchange model. Also, it is known as vertical dyadic linkage theory. So, this theory basically deals with the leader's choices, what exactly is the way he deals with different people. So, the theory views leadership as consisting of a number of dyadic relationships linking the leader with the follower. The quality of the relationship is reflected by the degree of mutual trust between both of them, how much they trust each other, the leader and the follower, the kind of loyalty, the support, the respect and obligation which is there. So all that matters a lot when you come to a better quality of relationship between the leader and the follower. Leaders distinguish between the in-group and out-group members on the basis of perceived similarity with the respect to personal characteristics like age, gender or personality. So basically that's how they decide in making the members in-group or out-group. A follower may also be granted in-group status if the leader believes that the person is very competent enough to do the job properly, whatever is assigned to him. So normally the in-group meaning the leader trusts him, out-group members meaning the leader does not trust those members. Role taking: when a new member joins the organization, the leader assesses the talents and abilities of the member and offers them opportunities to demonstrate their capabilities. Rule making is an informal and unstructured negotiation on work related factors which takes place between the leader and the member. A member who is very similar to the leader is most likely to succeed here. But in this stage, if the member betrays the leader loses his trust on him and tries to put that member in out group. The LMX 7 scale assesses the degree to which the leaders and followers have mutual respect for each other's capabilities, feel a deepening sense of mutual trust, and have a sense of strong obligation to one another. Taken together, these dimensions determine the extent to which the followers will be part of the leader's in-group, or if they are not trusted by the leader, they'll be put in the out-group. The strengths of the LMX theory, if you see, it is an exceptional theory of leadership as unlike the other theories, it concentrates and talks about specific relationships between the leader and each subordinate. LMX theory is also very much valid when it and practical compared to any other theories of the leader members. So this theory actually very clear and valid when it comes to the relationship of the member and the leader. Here too we have criticisms of this theory because it doesn't give a clear picture about the relationship. So the LMX theory fails to explain the particulars of how high quality relationships or exchanges are created, and it is also objected on the grounds of fairness and justice, as some followers receive special attention of the leaders at workplace but others do not. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching.